Think you don't have time to learn a foreign language? Think again. What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could completely transform your skills in your target language? In this video, I'll share 5 powerful and easy to follow tips to help you improve your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills in under 10 minutes a day. No stress, no long study sessions, just smart, effective learning that fits into your daily routine. Ready? Let's get you started right away. To enhance your listening comprehension, watch plenty of movies, TV series, or short videos in the original version of the language you're learning. And don't forget to turn on subtitles in that same language. Choose content you actually enjoy. A popular Netflix series, a YouTube channel, or even news from international broadcasters. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. It's completely normal. The key is to gradually familiarize yourself with the sounds of your target language. I know it can be challenging. It was the same for me. But what's important is to be persistent and expose yourself to the language every day. Plus, if you're a MosaLingua user, you can count on Mosa Discovery to help you memorize all the new phrases and words you hear while watching your favorite shows. At night, while you're making dinner, try explaining each step out loud in your target language, as if you were guiding someone else through the process. In the morning, you can do the same while planning your day or thinking through the tasks ahead. Talking to yourself is a well-known and effective technique, an easy, free, and always available way to practice. Once you're ready to take it a step further, there are several great options to explore. A solid next step is practicing conversation with an AI-powered language tutor. If you choose MosaChat AI, MosaLingua's virtual tutor, you'll experience conversations in 11 different languages that feel like real conversations, available 24/7. You can talk about anything you like, or use pre-made prompts and scenarios to get you started. Plus, you can choose between voice or text messages. And, just like a real tutor, MosaChat AI will correct your mistakes. As an extra perk, it can even create you personalized flashcards in your MosaLingua app to help you prevent making the same errors. If you have time, you can also explore language exchange platforms to find partners who want to practice your native language in exchange. To strengthen your writing skills, pick any text you need to write, an email, a message, or even a social media post, and practice writing it in your target language. This exercise will help you identify which grammar structures and vocabulary you need to improve. Additionally, language exchange platforms often allow you to exchange messages and receive corrections. Once again, that's also the case with MosaChat AI. You can exchange written messages with our virtual tutor and get corrections in real time. To boost your reading comprehension, choose books or stories that match your language level, such as children's books, comics, or short stories. My advice is to read short stories or books that have been adapted into movies, especially if you already enjoyed them on the big screen. If you've already seen a film and later discover it was based on a book or a short story, you'll find it much easier to understand because you already have visual references. For each of these activities, you'll need to learn new vocabulary and phrases, which are fundamental for mastering a language. The easiest way? The MosaLingua app. It focuses on the most useful vocabulary and sentences for each language, and uses a powerful spaced repetition system to help you remember them for good. With just a few minutes a day, you'll expand your vocabulary quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tools and useful tips to help you learn foreign languages faster. Happy learning, and see you soon!
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.